Long screen time, eyes feel dry and tired. Eyes enduring blue light, constant, invisible damage. WUMO Eye Mister. 8-second mist spa, gently nourish your eyes. 6 breath meditation, healing from outside in. From touch to mind, total relaxation. Extracting lutein and anthocyanin essence. For your tired eyes, resist blue light and UV. Synergy with Ectuin quick relief for eye fatigue. Revitalize your vision instantly. Restore moist and clear eyes, revive youthful eye radiance. Replaceable mist tank design, stop bacterial growth. Carry it with you anywhere safe, hygienic, and convenient. Spray during work or study, instant soothing relief. WUMO, your moment of clarity.